we're doing a 24-hour makeup transformation, Barbie edition. Going from this to Barbie is a fashion icon. She made pink the it color. In recent years, every other designer is trying to collab with her. From the iconic Moschino Barbie collection that most recently Casey Musgraves wore to the Met Gala, to a Puma collection, to a Purr makeup collection. Barbie is everywhere and her style is iconic. Let's get started. Step 1, paint your nails the most outrageous Barbie pink. Of course, they must sparkle. Next, get a fluorescent orange Barbie glow. Next, add platinum blonde Rapunzel hair. Now beat your face until the Barbie in you starts to shine through. Pink eyeshadow, an absolute must-have. Now draw on a perfect set of hot pink lips. Your makeup look is complete. Now put on the most outrageous pink outfit you can find. And don't forget, brush your hair at least 100 times a day. You're done. Thanks so much for watching today. Please leave any comments down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye.